Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export audio only using Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a video project on my Filmora application and I'm going to export this project as audio only. If we want to export, we can go to the export menu right here. But before I export it, I'm going to show you the audio.
In this today's video,
I'm just going to export this audio guys, and we can go to the export menu. Okay, and here we just need to change the format. If you want to save it as audio, you can choose MP3 like this, and then you just need to click on export. Okay, and then I'm just going to click on export with watermark because I'm not a premium user. Okay, now it's done, and I'm going to check it in my file explorer. Okay, this is the audio I have just exported in Filmora.
Hello guys, welcome back to this channel.
Okay guys, and that's all the way to export audio only in Filmora 14. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!